Hello, tech aficionados, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel that brings you in-depth reviews of the latest and most innovative tech gear. Today, we have something that will make your daily commute, business trips, and travel adventures a whole lot easier: the KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag. Stay tuned as we unpack all the features that make this bag an essential part of your professional and personal journeys. Let's start with the basics. The KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag is crafted from durable and high-quality waterproof fabric. It's built to withstand the rigors of everyday use and protect your valuable gear from the elements. With dimensions measuring 18.1 inches by 14.2 inches by 8.7 inches and weighing in at just 6.33 pounds, it strikes the perfect balance between spaciousness and portability. Organization is key, and this rolling laptop bag knows it. It offers a multi-functional compartment layout that keeps your essentials neatly separated. There's a dedicated padded compartment for your 17.3-inch laptop, ensuring it's safe from accidental bumps and shocks. Plus, you'll find room for your iPad, files, wallet, notebooks, and even your clothing. Zippered pockets on the sides are perfect for your umbrella, water bottle, and more. And the functional front pocket, equipped with a waterproof zipper, adds an extra layer of convenience. Traveling is a breeze with the KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag. It's designed to easily fit into most airline overhead bin compartments, meeting carry-on size requirements. No more worrying about checking your valuable electronics. And here's a security feature you'll appreciate: RFID pockets that protect the data encoded on your IDs, credit cards, and passports, keeping your personal information safe from digital threats. Let's talk about the little things that make a big difference. The rolling laptop bag is equipped with a push-button telescoping handle that's not only easy to use but also retractable into a zippered compartment when not in use. It moves silently on quality rubber wheels, so you won't disturb others around you. Lockable metal zipper heads add that extra layer of security. Finally, here's a feature that travelers will love: the well-knitted luggage strap. It allows you to easily attach the rolling laptop bag to the trolley of your larger suitcase, making your journey smoother and more convenient than ever before. And there you have it, the KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag, your versatile and reliable companion for work, travel, and beyond. With its premium build, smart compartment design, and travel-ready features, it's a must-have for professionals and adventurers alike. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay organized and stay tech-savvy with KROSER.